Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Nessa, and here I've got the summer makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, please continue to watch this video. So I know I already started, but I'm using the Sugarpill pressed eyeshadow in the shade Love Plus, and I'm blending that over my crease. And for the next step, you can use any kind of white primer, but I'm using the white cream shade right here from the Flash palette to make a more defined cut crease. Okay, and now I've got the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm using the yellow shade, and I'm going to put that onto the inner part of my crease. I'm also going to use the orange shade and put that onto the middle of my lid. And lastly, I'm using this pink shade on the end of my crease, or the outer part, I guess. And now for the fun part, I'm going to use this e.l.f. glitter glue and these 3 glitters and put them on, each corresponding shade. I'm using this disposable lip wand because I don't want to dirty any of my brushes, and I'm going to use that to tap the glitter onto my eyelid. Here I've got the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner, and I'm going to use that to make a cat eye, or a winged eye. Okay, so I made a mistake. I should have wiped down the excess, like right here, off before I started the line, because it got way too long. And so I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to continue on like that mistake didn't happen. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick and foundate. Here I've got the Nicka HD concealer, and I'm going to use that to highlight. And I'm blending this out with my e.l.f. small stipple brush. Here I've got the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm just going to use this middle shade right here to set my highlight. And I'm setting the rest of my face with Ben Nye Translucent Powder in the shade Chestnut. And I'm going back to this pink shade in the Zulu palette, and I'm going to put that all under on my lower lid. And for more pizzazz, I'm going to use this shimmery pink right here, which is actually gold, and I'm going to put that on top too. Now I'm putting on the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And now I'm going to apply on these faux 3D Mink lashes with my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to do that completely off camera because it's going to take a while. So I totally lost the footage, but what I did was I used the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and I used Zane as my blush. And I also used the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil and used Mimosa Sunrise on my Cupid's bow, cheekbone, tip of nose, bridge of nose, inner corner of the eye, and my brow bone. And now for the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Suede Lip Liner and line my lips with that, and then use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but the shade of the lip liner is Club Hopper. But anyways, I'm going to use this lip gloss from an indie makeup brand that I found from Instagram, and it's by Young and Pretty Cosmetics, and this is the shade Pink Galaxy. So this right here is the finished product. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please like this video, and if you want to see more of my content, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more often. So I hope that you guys, will click on my videos once in a while and, support me. And bye! I send you my love.